This is our 5th free interior design project and part 2 of Alex's 25 square meter studio apartment in Melbourne, Australia, who reached out to us for design help. As you remember, she wants to explore 2 interior styles, Japandi and weathered coastal cottage, to make the most of the space in her small studio apartment. But she's unsure where to start and how to organize and style her space. Our goal is to help our 100 subscribers design their own homes for free, especially those with existing home interiors who want to improve their spaces. You can email us at designburst24@gmail.com. We'll design an actual home interior for our subscribers so you can see the entire process, from identifying common mistakes to selecting furniture and decor that match your desired style. This way, you'll get a real look at how to design a home from start to finish. We'll also include links to the products we used in this design. And now, let's give a warm welcome to our newest members, Ursula Daramas and Lynn Angelis. Thank you both for joining us on this exciting journey. We're thrilled to have you here and can't wait to see the great things we'll create together. Watch until the end to find out how you can increase your chances of being selected for our free design offer. We'll also be answering some of your questions. Let's get started. In our previous video, we dove into her space and gave it a stunning Japandi makeover. If you haven't seen it yet, click the link below and catch all the details of her transformation. And now, we're going to explore her second design style she's aiming for, weathered coastal cottage style with modern industrial touches. The weathered coastal cottage style with modern industrial touches combines the relaxed, breezy feel of coastal living with the raw, edgy elements of industrial design. This unique blend brings together a natural, weathered finishes, soft textures, and light colors, typical of a coastal cottage, while incorporating sleek metal accents, exposed structures, and minimalistic furnishings from the industrial aesthetic. The result is a space that feels both inviting and rugged, balancing warmth and comfort with a touch of urban sophistication, perfect for those who want a laid-back, yet stylish and contemporary home. Since her current flooring doesn't match the style she wants, we'll update it to fit the weathered coastal cottage look. This style often features neutral-toned floors that bring a light and unified look to the space. Her walls are already painted in Miss Universe and Grey Cliff colors, which perfectly complement the weathered coastal cottage style. Alex wants to create a comfortable home office that minimizes space usage. She plans to replace the kitchen cabinet, which is outdated. She also wants to update her ceiling design to give it a more weathered coastal cottage touch. And she plans to rent out her space in the future, so she hopes to accommodate 2 to 3 people here. Now that we've analyzed Alex's needs, let's dive into our design solution. Let's start by applying this to our 3D model, beginning with the flooring. Instead of her previous flooring, we chose a light wood plank in a 0.20 by 1.20 meter size, perfect for a weathered coastal cottage style. This natural finish adds warmth and an organic touch to the room, while the long, narrow planks create a sense of openness and make the space feel more welcoming. This way, our flooring choice matches perfectly with the wall color. The light wood tones bring warmth and a natural vibe to the space, just right for that weathered coastal cottage feel. Plus, the long, narrow planks help make the room feel more open and inviting. Let's move on to the living area. The weathered coastal cottage style shines in this cozy, inviting space. The living area features a soft, low-profile sofa bed in a light neutral tone, adding both functionality and comfort. Not only does this sofa bed fit seamlessly with the coastal color palette, but it also serves as an extra sleeping space for guests when needed, making it a versatile addition to the compact layout. A light woven rug lies beneath, grounding the space and adding warmth and texture underfoot. The subtle neutral tone of the rug enhances the cozy coastal vibe, giving a welcoming touch that complements the soft wood tones throughout. On the wall, a large TV is mounted above a minimalist floating console table in light wood, providing a practical and stylish entertainment setup without overwhelming the space. The decorative accents, like woven baskets and coastal-themed pieces, bring character and texture, reinforcing the cottage charm. We positioned the air conditioner at the corner. Exposed beams and wood accents, combined with decor that hints at coastal living, like the ship wheel on the wall, pull together the weathered coastal cottage feel, making this living area both relaxing and inviting. Next, let's look at her working area. This workspace flows seamlessly from the entertainment area with a floating desk that connects directly to the floating shelves. This cohesive design creates a unified look, making the space feel open and connected. The light wood tones of the desk and shelves align with the weathered coastal cottage style, adding warmth and a natural touch. The open shelves provide plenty of space for decor, books, and coastal-inspired accents, while the clean desk surface offers a functional workspace without clutter. Subtle decor elements, like a small plant and starfish, bring in the coastal vibe, while the soft lighting adds a cozy ambiance, making this corner practical yet inviting. Next up, her sleeping area. The sleeping area is thoughtfully designed with a raised platform bed that maximizes storage and functionality within the small space. The bed frame includes built-in drawers beneath the platform, providing extra storage for bedding, clothes, or personal items, enhancing the space-saving aspect of the room. Steps leading up to the bed double as storage drawers, adding both convenience and functionality. These steps also provide a unique layered look that complements the cottage style, while the light blue and wood tones add a calming coastal vibe. Beside the bed, a custom wardrobe with a mirrored door has been integrated to replace the original built-in closet, allowing for better space utilization, blending seamlessly into the design. This setup provides ample storage for clothes and other essentials while maintaining a streamlined, cohesive look that aligns with the rest of the room. A black metal and glass partition next to the wardrobe subtly separates the sleeping area from the rest of the space, adding a touch of modernity while preserving an open feel. The grid pattern of the partition adds visual interest and gives the area a defined boundary without sacrificing light or openness, perfectly balancing the cottage charm with a contemporary edge. The light wood tones of the wardrobe, bed frame, and partition frame create a harmonious and unified aesthetic, reflecting the relaxed, natural feel of a weathered coastal cottage style. The large ocean-inspired artwork and wooden blinds further enhance the coastal theme, making the sleeping area a cozy, inviting retreat. Next, the kitchen area. The kitchen is laid out in an efficient L shape, with the refrigerator positioned opposite the longer side, creating a balanced and functional flow within the compact space. This setup allows for easy access to all essentials while maximizing workspace. The cabinetry features a charming weathered blue finish, enhancing the coastal cottage feel and adding a touch of character. The blue cabinets, combined with subtle wood panel detailing, bring in texture and a rustic yet polished look that complements the cottage-inspired aesthetic. The upper cabinets provide ample storage, keeping the kitchen organized, while an open shelving section on one side adds casual charm and convenient access to everyday items. The countertops have a natural wood finish that pairs beautifully with the blue cabinetry, adding warmth and reinforcing the coastal vibe. The extended countertop near the stove offers a small yet practical prep area, enhancing the kitchen's functionality without compromising style. For the backsplash, the wall is left open, with hooks installed under the upper cabinets to store utensils within easy reach, maintaining a clean and uncluttered look. A blinds covers the window that complements the weathered blue tones and coastal color palette. To enhance visibility and ambiance, 2 pin lights are installed in the ceiling, providing bright, focused lighting that illuminates the kitchen workspace effectively. Additionally, LED strip lights are mounted under the upper cabinets, casting a soft glow on the countertops. These under-cabinet lights not only add a functional element for meal prep, but also create a cozy, inviting ambiance that aligns with the coastal charm of the space. This thoughtfully designed kitchen combines functionality with a cozy coastal charm, making it both practical and inviting. A perfect fit for a weathered coastal cottage style. Lastly, the dining area. In the dining area, we've created a warm and inviting space that complements the weathered coastal cottage theme. The wall features soft blue wainscoting, adding texture and depth, while giving a subtle nod to coastal colors. This wainscoting creates a charming backdrop that enhances the cottage feel of the space. The dining table is crafted from natural wood, with a simple black metal base that adds a touch of modern contrast. Paired with wooden chairs that feature soft fabric cushions, this setup combines comfort with a rustic coastal look. Positioned next to the kitchen, the dining area seamlessly flows into the rest of the home, enhancing the open and cohesive layout. On the wall above the dining area, a gallery of coastal-themed decor and artwork brings character and a personal touch to the space. The grid-style open shelving with wooden accents provides display space for coastal-inspired decor items, like starfish and plants, while keeping the area visually interesting yet uncluttered. To complete the look, a pendant light hangs above the dining table. This light fixture will feature natural woven materials to enhance the coastal ambiance and bring a cozy, warm glow to the dining space, making it perfect for intimate meals or gatherings. We decided that over the next 365 days, we'll create 100 interior designs for you, our subscribers, or viewers for free. This way, we can help those who need design support, while delivering something truly tailored to your needs. If you're watching this video and need assistance with your home interior, you can email us at designburst24@gmail.com. Send us your photos or videos, along with what kind of design you're aiming for, and we'll reply if your email is selected. Now, we know many of you have questions, so let's address some of the most common ones. Let's first have this from Miss Caitlin. How can I increase my chances of being chosen for a free interior design? If you're hoping to be selected, share as many details as possible. This includes photos and videos that help us visualize your space, a dimensioned floor plan, and a clear idea of your desired design style. The more information you provide, the easier it is for us to create a design that perfectly fits your vision. Next, is your content AI generated? This is a question we get a lot, especially with AI tools like Midjourney out there. Well, the answer is no. Only the voice in our videos is AI generated, which helps us save time. The design work itself, though, is crafted by our team. Creating these interior designs is a complex, hands-on process that requires planning, analysis, and careful attention to detail. AI simply can't replace the level of creativity and expertise needed to make these designs come to life. Next, what software are you using to create these? Well, we work with SketchUp for modeling, allowing us to create accurate, scalable layouts, and we use Inkscape for rendering to bring these spaces to life with realistic textures and lighting effects. These tools let us give you a clear, beautiful preview of your future space. Next, does this cost anything? You might wonder if there's a charge for this service, but it's completely free. We want our advice to be practical and accessible, and until we reach our goal of 100 interior makeovers for subscribers, there's no cost to participate. And the last question for today: how long does it take to complete a 3D interior design? With a dedicated team of 14, including 4 video editors, 2 architects and interior designers, and 8 3D designers, usually completes each project within 7 to 14 days, from design to the video publication on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more transformations in our design series.